In the last video, we discussed about how to bring in your templates, how to upload it, how to check free templates on Goyabi website. You can just check the last video we did on blogging, how to open a free blog. But in this video, we'll be talking about how to edit our templates on Blogger. I'll be showing you how to give your template a professional touch and how to make it your own. I will also be looking at how to edit your sidebar. The website is divided into your header, your body, and your footer. Your header contains your logo, your menu. Your body contains where you see your posts, your sidebar, and also your footer contains your footer credit and whatever is in the downside of the website. So we have actually uploaded the template called Sportbuzz version 1.0. So we just need to edit it. This is how the website looks like now. This is how the website looks like now. So we'll start the editing. We'll start the editing from the header. So we'll be changing this logo and also we'll be changing this menu. So let's start from the header. If you want to change the header, please note that the settings of each template might differ from each other, but this is the major type of settings that I can. You have a similarities. There is always a similarities between the templates. There will always be a header, there will always be the body and the footer, so you can just easily edit them. So let's start from this. Let's upload an image for our let's upload an image. Let me upload the Surface Academy logo. Okay, the logo is here. Let's just save it and let's check. So as you can see, we have the logo changed here. So let's change the menu. The menu is header menu here. So we'll look at it. Okay, the first thing is let's delete everything. Let's delete everything first, and we will check and we will add our own so that you can understand it better. So for now, there is no menu here. Let's just go back and we'll add a new item. You add a new item. So when you add a new item, you give it a title. Okay, let's give this tutorials. Let's give this tutorials. You just put hash. Let's put hash here so that we can just save that as our new. So tutorials, we have tutorials. Let's add another item. Let's use academy. The reason why I'm using hash there is it means that there will be no link there. So let's use this as, let's take this as learning and let's save. Let's take this as what do we add? Let's use YouTube and hash. Let's use this as about us, hash, and let's use this. Let's use the final one. Let's just put the final one as contact us and save. So first of all, let's save this and let us check out what we have done. Also, you see the menu here. As you can see the menu, but if you want to have a menu under, maybe you might want to have another menu under tutorials or another menu under academy. Let's just check these two out. If you want to have another menu under tutorials, it's just easy. You add a new menu, then you put an underscore, then you write, let me add web design. Please just remember to put an underscore. That is having a menu under another menu. So let's move it up. Let's move it up to under. Let's move it up to under tutorial. So let's have another. This slash means that the menu is under tutorials. Let's add another menu and let's do the same thing. Graphic design. So let's move it up also. Let's move it up to. Okay, as you can see, web design, graphic design. Now let's under academy, let's also have 2 items there. Under academy, let's have virtual class. We are moving this one also under academy. So we have virtual class under academy. You add new item also. Let's have on sites. You save and you move. We move it until it gets to under academy. So under academy you have virtual class and also on site. So let's save and so this is it. Under tutorials you have web design and graphic design. Under academy you have virtual class and on site. So that is how you keep doing. If you want to have maybe something under web design, let's have WordPress under web design. We are still editing it. Let's have WordPress under web design. So because we are having a sub menu under a sub menu, so you use 2/2/ WordPress 2/ WordPress hash. So let me have another 2/ and let's use Wix and another 2/. So let's have this under, let's have this only under our virtual class e-learning. Just using all these as an example. I hope you should get that. So let's move them up. We are moving the WordPress to under web design. Okay, it's under web design now. Is under web design now. So let's move this Wix also under web design. So I don't know the menu that you want to have. If you are designing a church blog, you can have menu under your category. Maybe if you are designing a blog that deals with, okay, so the web design, WordPress and Wix is under web design. So we are bringing the e-learning under this virtual class. So let's get to that. So as I was saying, if you are designing a faith blog, you can just have category like prayer, like contact us, like, and so on. E-learning. Sorry, it takes time. It's not like WordPress that you just drag. If it is WordPress, you just drag it. So this is virtual class and this is under e-learning. Okay, academy should be under academy. Okay, this academy virtual class is under academy, while e-learning is under virtual class. So let's check the updates. Still loading. Okay, so let's check it out. Let's check what we have done. So this is tutorial. Under tutorial we have WordPress and Wix. This is academy. Under academy we have e-learning. So that is how you can change your header, that is your logo, and also your menu. So this trending here is this label or tab. So you can decide to remove it, or you can just decide to hide it if you don't need it. So you can decide to hide it. That is that. Okay, let's come to our sidebar. This is our body. Your recent text, your recent posts will show over here. So let's just focus on our sidebar. First of all, let's look at the ones that are active. We have followers, we have popular posts, we have subscribers, we have Facebook, we have powered by blogger, report abuse, and search blog. Let's hide some. Let's hide the reports abuse. You untick it. So let's hide that. This symbol means that you hide this particular tag. Let's bring our search this blog. Let's take it up so that people will see that first. So let's take it up here. So this is a Facebook. Let's edit the Facebook. When you see codes like this, you may not understand what they mean, but just make sure that you have just find this HTTPS. This will be the Facebook URL that they are using. So just edit this place, from this place to this place, to your Facebook page username. My username is Cephas Academy. That's the academy Facebook page, Cephas Academy. So let's save that. Let's edit the video. These subscribers is the video. Let's edit that also. So on this, you put your YouTube ID. Maybe you have a video on YouTube and you want it to be there. So I'll be using this particular YouTube video. So what you do is you go to the video. And you click on share. So when you click on share, this will be your link, and your ID starts from this slash downward. So you just copy it and you paste here. So you copy it and you paste here. You save that also. Let us check what we have to edit before we reload it. Okay, let's hide this powered by blogger, and also let me put our Facebook link here so that we can just try it when we are done. Powered by blogger, we are looking for powered by blogger. No, this is not it. Attribution, it should be this. Let's remove this. Yeah, it should be attribution. So let's edit these followers. Now these are the links. You can just edit them. Cephas Academy. You save, you edit also. We don't have a YouTube Twitter yet, so we just put hash there. Our Instagram also is Cephas Academy. The username, please make sure you verify your username or else it won't work. Cephas Academy, you save. And our YouTube, let's go to our channel. These are channels, so this is the URL. You copy and you copy all. Coming. So let's save, and finally let's save. So let's just edit this. First of all, let's look at this. as you can see that the video has changed from the last one we had, and also we have our Facebook page here, Cephas Academy. So let's click on this Facebook to check whether we are correct. Yeah, it takes us directly to Cephas Academy Facebook page, and YouTube will take us directly to our YouTube channel. Okay, and also Instagram will take us directly to our Instagram page also. So that is how to edit your sidebar. Now we'll be going to the footer. We have 4 sections here: the about us, this menu, and also this. You cannot edit this because you have a free theme, but you can purchase the theme, this spot boost. You can purchase it before you can be able to edit this. I think it should cost only $5. You can just spare $5 from me and purchase it. So the about us is here. Let's also edit the about us. Let's upload an image from our computer. This time around I'll be using this image. So let's save. Okay, we have to edit the text. We have to edit the text here. This is the text. Cephas Academy is a place where you learn various digital skills. So you save, you edit this also, the followers, just the way we edit that. You also edit your link here and you save, and your menu. This is also the same thing with your menu there. So let's just edit only this to terms of service to see the change. So let's save it. Let's save it. We save it. We save. Okay, so let's just save, and that's all. Let's reload, and we'll see that we have changed the footer. This is the terms of service that we just added, and also this is the logo, and also the about us that we just added, and everything. So that is how to give it a professional touch. In the next tutorial, we'll be looking at how we will update our pages and our posts. So please make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also make sure you follow the channel for more tutorials on how you can open a free blog with Blogger and how you can make it effective. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.